Good morning, students. Today we'll learn about IP sound words, ID sound words, and IT sound words. The sound of IP is IP. The sound of IP is IP. Yes, look here. Which picture is this? Yes, sip. S-I-P, sip. The sound of S is sir and the sound of IP is ip, sip, S-I-P, sip. Now look here. Which picture is this? Yes, zip, Z-I-P, zip, Z-I-P, zip. Yes, look here. Which picture is this? Yes, dip, D-I-P, dip, D-I-P, dip. The sound of D is D and the sound of IP is ip, dip, D-I-P, dip. Yes, sip, zip, dip. Now come to the next words. Yes, ID sound words. The sound of ID is id, E-D, id, I-D, id. Now look here. Which picture is this? Hid, H-I-D, hid, H-I-D, hid. The sound of H is her and the sound of ID is id, H-I-D, hid. देखो कैट छुप रही है ना पीछे, हिड मतलब छुपना. ओके, come to the next picture. Yes, which picture is this? Yes, he's a kid, kid, K-I-D, kid, K-I-D, kid, K-I-D, kid, K-I-D, kid. Come to the next picture. Yes, look here. Which picture is this? Yes, it's a lid, L-I-D, lid, L-I-D, lid. The sound of L is L and the sound of ID is id, L-I-D, lid. Lid means dhakkan. Okay. Now come to the IT words. Yes, the sound of IT is it, IT, it. Yes, look here. Which picture is this? Yes, it is a candle. But what is this? It's a lit. This is lit, L-I-T, lit, L-it, lit. The sound of L is L and I-T, it, L-it, lit. Now come to the next picture. Yes, which picture is this? Sit, S-I-T, sit, S-it, sit. The sound of S is S and the sound of IT is it, S-it, sit. Sit means बैठना. Okay, next picture. Yes, look here. Which picture is this? Kit. Yes, K-I-T, kit, K-it, kit. The sound of K is K and the sound of it is IT is it, K-it, kit. L-I-T, lit, S-I-T, sit, K-I-T, kit, I-T, it. Okay, bye-bye.